Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of drawing a teenage version of a calm and serene anime girl. Grab your pencils and join me as we explore the world of anime art. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial is perfect for unleashing your creativity and creating your own unique anime artwork. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of anime drawing and let your imagination soar. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.